Let's open up Blender, clean up our scene, and add a new camera. Now let's set the rotation to 60 degrees in X and 0 degrees in Y and 45 degrees in Z. Now I'll just set the location coordinates according to my comfort. If you want, you can copy these too. Now let's add a cube and scale it up. Now you need to change the camera type from perspective to orthographic for this to work. Let's scale the cube once again. Now we need to adjust the bottommost portion of our mesh, which is a cube in this case, such that it aligns with the bottommost camera line, if that's what it's called as. Now go ahead and adjust the resolution to whatever size you want it to be. Now let's add a light source and be consistent with the lighting used for all the sprites that are going to be used in the same environment, just to ensure that they seem natural when they all come together. Now let's set our background to be transparent by selecting it into the film settings. Let's render it out. I'm using cycles, you can use EV too. So this is how you can create pre-rendered isometric sprites to be used in isometric game. In the next video, I'll show you a time lapse of how to set up our basic scene in Unity.